Governor of Odisha, Dr. Haribabu Kambhampati ji, Chief Minister of Odisha, Sri Mohan Charan Majhi ji, Union Minister of External Affairs, Dr. S. Jaishankar ji, Union Minister of Education, Sri Dharmendra Pradhan ji, Union Minister of Tribal Affairs, Sri Joel Oram ji, Union Ministers of State for External Affairs, Sri Kirtivardhan Singh ji and Sri Pavitra Margariti ji. Distinguished Pravasi Bharatiya Samman awardees, members of the Indian diaspora, excellencies, ladies and gentlemen. Namaskar and a warm welcome to your own Bharat Bhumi. समस्तों नमस्कार, जुहार, जय जगन्नाथ। आपनकर निज माटी, निज जन्मभूमि को बहुत बहुत स्वागत। मंदिर मालिनी भुवनेश्वर ऐतिह्य परंपरा में रे समृद्धि ए सहर को आपण आसीथिबारु मो हृदयर गभीरतम स्तररु आपण को बहुत 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 धन्यवाद। It is with immense pleasure and a heart full of pride that I stand before you today in the vibrant city of Bhubaneswar, a city rich in culture and heritage. After the success of the last Pravasi Bharatiya Divas in Indore in 2023, I am delighted to be here with you all to celebrate the indomitable spirit of our Pravasi Bharatiya. As we gather in the first month of this new year 2025, I also extend my greetings and best wishes for a prosperous and fulfilling year ahead. Ladies and gentlemen, I take this opportunity to congratulate Her Excellency Christine Kangalu, President of the Republic of Trinidad and Tobago, on being conferred with the Pravasi Bharatiya Samman 2025. Our outstanding contribution in leading our nation with a special focus on women and the Indian diaspora has set a high benchmark on the world stage. This is a reflection of the deep ties of friendship and cooperation between our two countries, as much as it is a testament of the shared values that bind us across borders. Ladies and gentlemen, the Indian diaspora represents the best of our country. You, the sons and daughters of Bharat, have carried with you not just the knowledge and skills acquired in this sacred land, but also the values and ethos that have been the foundation of our civilization for millennia. Whether in the fields of technology, medicine, arts, or entrepreneurship, the Indian diaspora has made a mark that the world acknowledges and respects. Today, we honor those amongst you who have distinguished themselves through exemplary achievements. It is my privilege to confer on them the Pravasi Bharatiya Samman as India's token of recognition of their extraordinary contributions. My heartfelt congratulations to all the awardees. Your success stories are not just a matter of pride for India, but they also inspire millions across the world to strive for excellence. Ladies and gentlemen, the Pravasi Bharatiya Divas over the years become more than just an event. It is a platform where ideas converge, collaborations are forged, and the bonds between India and its diaspora are strengthened. I am sure over the last 3 days, you have used this occasion to engage in meaningful dialogue and share your experiences. This event underscores the fact that while you may be physically distant from your homeland, your connections with Bharat remain as strong as ever. Ladies and gentlemen, our nation today is marching towards Viksit Bharat, a developed India by the year 2047, when we will celebrate 100 years of our independence. This vision is not just a government initiative. It is a national mission that requires proactive and enthusiastic participation of every Indian, including those living abroad. The Indian diaspora is an integral part of this vision. Your global presence gives you a unique perspective, and your achievements place you in a position to significantly contribute to the realization of a developed India. I have seen this firsthand during my interactions with our diaspora as part of my travel abroad. I urge you all to actively engage in this journey, for in your success lies the success of India. Ladies and gentlemen, recognize the crucial role of the diaspora in nation building. Government of India has taken several initiatives to support it. Consular services for non-resident Indians have been simplified. For overseas citizens of India, processes have been digitized and streamlined. Initiatives like No India program provide avenues for the younger members of our diaspora to rediscover their Indian roots. I am happy to know that Odisha government is appointing a nodal minister for engaging with Pravasi Bharatiya for project investment, etc. I appreciate the step taken by the Odisha government. Odisha government, माननीय मुख्यमंत्री जो कथा को रखिले तांकर पदक्षेप को मु प्रशंसा करछि एवं तांको धन्यवाद करछि. We have also been proactive in safeguarding the interests of India. In recent years, we have launched several missions, including Operation Kaveri, Operation Ganga, and Operation Vande Bharat, to assist distressed Indians. Today, Indians around the world can count on their homeland for support and protection in times of need. Ladies and gentlemen, over the last 3 days, experts from diverse fields have come together here to discuss issues of importance for both India as well as its diaspora. You all must have seen the special exhibit at the convention, which highlights various important facets of our diaspora's connection and contribution to India. I am sure these insightful discussions will help to shape policies that benefit both India and the global community. A special mention must also be made of the contributions of women, students, and the youth amongst our diaspora. The achievements of Indian women globally are a matter of immense pride for us as they break barriers and scale new heights in various fields. Our students and youth, with their dynamism and creativity, are the torchbearers of our future. They are the ones who will carry forward the legacy of a vibrant and progressive India. Ladies and gentlemen, our vision for Viksit Bharat aligns with our growing stature on the world stage, particularly as a leading voice of the global South. It is guided by our timeless philosophy of Vasudhaiva Kutumbakam, or the world is one family. This vision is about creating an ecosystem that not only meets our needs but also contributes to global well-being. We seek to be a nation that balances economic progress with social justice and environmental stewardship, ensuring a bright future for generations to come. Each one of you, whether through entrepreneurship, philanthropy, or knowledge sharing, will play an essential role in achieving this vision. Ladies and gentlemen, the connection between the Indian diaspora and motherland is eternal. No matter where you are in the world, Bharat is and will always be your home. This bond is rooted in the shared heritage, culture, and values. It is this connection that we celebrate today, and it is this connection that will continue to inspire us as we move forward together. As we celebrate the achievements of our Pravasi Bharatiya family, let us also look forward to the future with hope and determination. Together we can build a Viksit Bharat, a nation that stands tall on the global stage and continues to be a beacon of light for the world. Thank you. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat, Jai Jagannath, Vande Utkal Janam.
बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद, बहुत बहुत आभार।